Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm about to give you an update on my Moringa powder, what I've seen so far with my hair, and I'm also gonna mix the Moringa into my grease for my hair for more growth. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I already freshly washed my hair just now, so this is how it's looking. So far I noticed my sides are coming in more since I did the Moringa. You know, this side was weaker than this side. So I started seeing a lot of growth on this side, you know, than before. So it's coming in, yeah, than before. And my hair is grown more, you guys. So I'm still watching it. It's been almost 2 weeks now. So this is my hair currently. Like I said, it's growing and stuff like that. So, but here I'm noticing more is coming in on this side and this side as well. So that's the reason why I'm doing this video, because I started seeing growth so far. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing, this is the Moringa, you guys, and this is my Vaseline. You can do, this is the Palmer's olive oil formula, you know, growth therapy. There's not much in here, so that's why I'm using this one. And I have the Indian hair scalp and grease, but I wanted to use this and put a little bit of Moringa and then, you know, grease my scalp and everything, because it's already green. So if you add some in there, it's not going to hurt anything. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, and then after that, I'm just gonna put a leave-in conditioner, you know, on my hair, and basically that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay, yeah, put in the leave-in conditioner, you know, on my hair, and then just let it air dry, because I wanted to put some wig on and then just, you know, so. All right, so let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, you guys, so this is my Moringa, like this. And then this is my Vaseline. You can use whatever Vaseline that you have. It doesn't have to be this one, but since it's already green and I have a little bit left here, so that's why I'm using this one. And you just want a little bit to actually get into your scalp. And yeah, just like that. And just mix it. Like so. And you just rub it onto your hair. Just like you would take it from here and put it straight on your scalp. You know. And basically that's it. Don't wash it out. Just leave it in there. Because you're not really going to tell, basically. You know. So, yeah. See that? You're not going to tell that you have anything in here. So that's that. Okay, so now I have it here. This is how it looks. Okay, let me put, you can't really tell it's, you know, it's mixed together, because it's still gonna give you that consistency anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna take this much and just grease my scalp, my hair. My hair is growing beautifully, you guys. Again, let me know what hair color would you like to see me dye my hair next. I'm gonna take suggestions down in the comments. Let me know. Like I said, you guys, you can't even tell. So you can grease your scalp, and the Moringa is on your scalp. doing the work and growing your hair. So many ways you can use moringa. So this is another way to use your moringa. So if you don't want to do that treatment that I did, this is another way to grow your scalp or your edges or whatever you're trying to grow. Okay? You guys, this is it. This is it, you know. So yes, I'm gonna sleep with this one, but then I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner, my hair, so it can be soft, and do all of that. It's curling my hair already. That's not what I want, but look at that. The curls just start to pop. So you guys, that is it for this tutorial. I'm just gonna let my leave-in conditioner, you know, set and everything, and then that's it. Gonna put my bonnet on, and basically that's it. So I thank you guys for watching. This is an update for the moringa that I did, the mask, and also I show you guys another way of using the moringa onto your hair as well. So let me know if you like the second moringa do. So yeah, let me know if you do. Okay. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.